4 hop and hood and 1 oven right here.
Okay, very nice. And I see you make bread already. Good morning. I'm here in Sukhumvit Soi 55, better known as Thonglor, and the reason that I'm here is because I want to give an update regarding the newest and tallest building that's under construction here. This is the Noble Form, and we are here in Thonglor Soi 18, and this building already reached its highest point. It's 211 meters high, 692 feet. So with the filming of this project, I'm working together with a company called Fulcrum Global. So if you're interested in buying an apartment in here, you can contact them directly. I will leave the link in the description. As you can hear, this is a typical construction site. And this is going to be the garden area in front. But let me bring you to the sales gallery. I'm here on the sky bridge of Thonglor on my way to the Noble Remix, where you have the sales gallery of the Noble Form, and I'm very interested to see what type of units they have in this building. This is one of those skywalks where you can walk directly into the building. I'm here on the ground floor of the Noble Remix in Thonglor, and this is one of the advantages if you buy from a company like Noble. They already have buildings, so you can actually compare. So today I'm gonna show you the sales gallery. Sawadee krap.
My name is Kim Nakha. I'd like to show you our iconic condominium developed by Noble Development. When it's completed this year, September, it will be the tallest building on Thonglor Road.
In September already it will be finished.
September this year, 2024.
So basically where I started the video here was on the corner of Thonglor Soi 18, and this is in the middle of Thonglor 55, and this is one of the most high-end areas in Bangkok. And here we have the tallest building of Thonglor, a total of 46 floors, and the top stories have duplex units, and they are 4.85 meters high, and the other ceilings are all 2.8, which is actually pretty high compared to other buildings as well. So here we have a view of the swimming pool. This is going to be the highest swimming pool in Thonglor. You will look over Prompong, Asok, the whole skyline of the city. And then here you have the gym. The gym will have the view over Ekamai. They already have the little machines in there. And the rooftop garden.
You like to see the
Yes, please. Thank you.
So let's start from the smallest size of one bedroom single.
Okay.
So coming in, it will be the dining area zone and kitchen. On your right hand side will be bathroom right here.
Okay.
Okay. Coming in, so it will be 2.8 ceiling height.
Okay.
2.8 meter ceiling height. So our standard handover, it will be fully fitted with electric appliance. We give you oven and washing machine right here.
Okay.
2 hob and hood, and also conceal tie of
Okay. So this is an oven, right?
oven.
Which is very special because normally with small units you don't get oven, you only get microwave.
You use the Teka band.
Okay. Very
Coming
nice.
here, we give you the conceal tie of refrigerator.
Okay.
So the washroom is over there.
Yes.
So you can see the material we use like.
Okay. A nice rain shower here. If you have smaller units in Bangkok, normally they don't come with rain showers, they don't come with ovens, so that is quite special. This is definitely an upscale small room. Okay. Yeah, this is a nice extra. You have this door that you can shove out, and then you create an extra space here. You have actually a walk-in closet. The watches are not included. So the furniture is not included, right?
Not included. And standard handover will be white wall.
Okay.
White wall, no mirror นะคะ
Okay. Okay. So this is all the mock-up room.
And I would like to show you the 2 bedroom
Okay.
with our combined unit. So combined unit is actually 2 31.77 combined together, and we break down the wall in the middle, and both sides will be bedroom. No? We give you the conceal tie of refrigerator, 4 hob and hood, and 1 oven right here.
Okay, very nice. And I see you make bread already. These units, you said they are on the top floors, right? On the...
Original size, it will be on the top floor, but right now we have more client request for bigger unit on the lower floor, so we create this layout. Coming in here, it will be the master bedroom. We have 2 wardrobe already in standard handover.
Okay.
Okay, right here.
Nice.
It's already enough storage space right there, and also we have
Another balcony.
ค่ะ
Let's have a look how the view is here. And these units are, you have them in all directions, right? In west, east, north, and south.
It is
Okay.
like every direction.
So you
Not
can choose the
east, west,
direction that you want.
east.
Okay, very
Okay,
good.
you're coming inside here because Thonglor is like Japanese town, Japanese
Yes.
city, so we have the bathtub like a Japanese style.
Yes, you see that a lot in the Japanese style apartments.
A rain shower next to the bathtub.
Big rain shower here, I see.
Standard handover.
Okay. I like this system. I just saw it the other day in a hotel. It's very beautiful.
It's like a 5 hotel.
Yes.
ใช่ค่ะ And
No, we just went to a
also,
hotel in Khao Yai and they had this system, but it took me 5 minutes to find out.
Okay.
Okay.
ค่ะ And the opposite side, we have the second bedroom.
Yes.
And the size is similar. We have 1 balcony right here.
Okay. Nice. So there are 2 balconies. And that's where you can see that it's a combined unit.
ค่ะ 1 wardrobe, standard
Okay.
handover.
Unfortunately, this furniture is not included. We are here in Thonglor. Sorry, 18. Let me show you around in the area a little bit. From the building, you turn left here. You're in the middle of Thonglor. Here to the right, you have the Commons, which is a very popular food court or food mall. Here you have the 27 courtyard, and on the corner here the J Avenue, where you have supermarkets, shops, restaurants, and if you want to go for a drink, you can go here to Penny's balcony. And at Penny's balcony you find the Hops, the house of beers, the Vino, very good Italian restaurant, and Mellow. We're at the heart of the Thonglor area. In the center you see the Noble Form with the highest infinity pool in the city, and here you have the J Avenue Lifestyle Center, and this is basically a restaurant area. So as you can see, it's literally around the corner from the building, and here you'll find restaurants. There's a pet friendly area here, so you have a pet waste station. This is actually a very nice lifestyle mall. You basically have everything here. You have your banks, you have your pharmacy, you have your supermarket. And not only is it the tallest structure in the area here, but the location is actually perfect. As you can see, you're next door to the J Avenue. Here you have the Villa Market, one of the more popular supermarkets in the city for foreigners. It's about 1.5 kilometers to the Thonglor BTS Station, and on the way to the Thonglor station you find the Marché Thonglor. And this is a shared office building and restaurant mall. And a little bit further you have the Grand Center Point. There are a lot of hotels here, so if you have families staying over, then they can stay in a hotel nearby as well. So I'm here at the Commons, and the best time to come to the Commons is around dinner time, around 6 o'clock. No outside food and drinks. Pets are welcomed in the common areas. So this is a food mall, and as I mentioned, around the corner from where you will be living, around the corner from the Noble Form. So the Commons you could consider a lifestyle slash food mall, and there are a lot of restaurants in here that you can try. But it's more than just food. You also have the Absolute You gym, and there is a daycare center for the kids. I actually filmed the Commons in Saladeng the other day, and as you can see here, right around the corner from the building. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Noble Form and the Thonglor area here in Bangkok. If you're interested in buying an apartment at the Noble Form, you can get in touch with Fulcrum. I will leave the link in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.